Hey guys, just want to do this quick review for the 1K per day movement. I'm not sure if you've seen all the hype that's been floating around social media, but this is something that's been kicked off, and it's kicking off in a big way. So after this video, it's a good idea for you to at least get inside and take a look for yourself. Costs nothing to sign up, and there's a ton of value inside here. So I just want to run through the platform for you. So when you get in, you'll be seeing the different steps here. Step 1, obviously, to step 5. And obviously on the top bar here, you'll be seeing different resources as well. And I'll run through those quickly in a little bit. And then here is a sponsor. So if you was to sign up and be a member on this site, and then you refer this site to other people, then you'll actually be a sponsor. So if you was to sign up under my link, then I would be your sponsor. That's how it works on here. So it's pretty cool. You've got all these videos in here. You've got some downloads as well, and you've got some information here, and then there's a lot of feedback here. If you put any comments in here, then Keith Stephens is the main man behind this program, and he's very he interacts really well with everybody, and he gets back to everybody really quickly as well. So he seems to be a good guy. There's also a really good Facebook group. So you join the Facebook group here, and it's a great community. Any questions you've got, then people get back to you and respond. So yeah, it's a great group to be in. I just signed up yesterday, and things are really working out for me already. So I just wanted to do this quick video. Let's move into the different steps then. So step 1 is just basically when you go through and it's a welcome to the movement, and then it's basically talking about the blueprint to success. So these are videos that you should go in and watch and sort of see what's going on. And then when you've gone through those, and you obviously move into step 2. Let's hope the internet is a bit quicker today. So step 2 here is about your MSI, is multiple streams of income, and this is your activation and product selection here. So this tells you how to do that as well, and I'll go through with everybody in a few minutes. My internet's a little bit slow loading, but again here you've got the video to go through, and at any time you've got any comments about this, you can just write a comment in here, and then he'll get back to you, which is cool. MSI activation products here, MSI up the top as well, and then you go next step or go previous steps. That's all pretty straightforward. Then when you go over to step 3, after you've set up your multiple streams of income, then you come into step 3, which is advanced training, and it asks you if you want to upgrade for the core training upgrade, and you'll get a lot of bonuses inside there. And it goes all about the 6-figure model, and there's a lot of bonuses inside. And to sign up for this is it's not a lot of money. I think it's about $37 or something like that for you to get an upgrade. And then once you're in there, then you get affiliate commissions. You become an affiliate, and you get 50% commissions on everything that's basically being sold through your site. So it's pretty cool, actually, to be honest with you. And I'll talk to you about the multiple stream of income in a few minutes. So that's basically where it is. And so if you wanted to upgrade here, you can purchase the upgrade here, and there's a couple of other upgrades inside, but you don't necessarily need to take those if you don't want to. But of course, if you want to and you want to get bigger commissions, then it's advised for you to do that. There's also, every time there's a video, you can see here, there's also view steps here, and it tells you what to do with every single step. So it's pretty good explaining to you a little bit about how everything really works. Okay, so go to step 4. Move over to step 4 here. So how you plan out your funnel. So you can do about obviously about your sales funnel, your bridge page, your squeeze page, your thank you page, and everything else. And that teaches you how to set that up. In case if you wanted to do it through a funnel, there's many ways to promote this, but there is also a good way to do it through sales funnels, and I'll go through that in a few seconds. So that's planning out your funnel, and again, if you haven't upgraded, then there's an upgrade button here, and then step 5 Step 5 here is talking all about all the different videos here. Again, it's asking you to go back to these videos and have a look and see how things really work and how different things are working there. And then here it talks to you a little bit about the upgrade and the things you get when you do the upgrade as well. Talks a little bit about the Facebook page and 1K movement, all that sort of stuff. So it's cool, and you can leave a review there if you like, and you also go back to previous steps, as you want it here, steps here. So this basically just tells you all about the program here. So it's pretty cool. So if we go back to the top page here, we've been through the getting started section, MSI products. If we click on here, what you'll see inside here, don't want to spend too long on this, but basically in here it talks about MSI products, multiple streams of income. So if you are actually signed up in here, the first thing is that anybody that's basically signed up under your link, you'll become a sponsor, and they'll find your opportunity in here. So if they click on here, they'll go to one of your own offers, and you can put anything you like in here. Okay. All these other ones here are business opportunities that you can sign up for, and you can get your affiliate links in there. And basically, if anybody that's under your link comes in here and they're really interested in buying, say, SAS Pro, for example, and click on that link and they get in there and they buy the product, then you get a commission from that. So it's pretty cool. It's a pretty cool way of doing that, and you can have your affiliate links in all of these products if you want. You can do as many or as few as you want. It's really totally up to you. A lot of them are allow you to just basically get on and sign up without actually purchasing a product from them. So you have to go through and see which ones are all there. And it's a very, very good system. It's an excellent system, actually. Then you go into sales funnels here. The program's set up here with Kartra. I've not used that one before, and then ClickFunnels. So you've got two different options there for sales funnels. Both of them, and then you've got the CP, the Conversion Pros as well. They've all got free trials as well, so it's easy for you to get in, select one of them, have a go at it, and see how it all goes. And once you've done your funnel, then you go back to step 3 and you learn all about that stuff in there. So it's pretty cool. And then you go into here to traffic. This is turning on the traffic. This is about how you get traffic and how you promote the offers. Yeah. So you can do training traffic here. You can look at all the different ways that you can actually promote your offers as well and stuff like that. So that's pretty good. So it's just a case of you going through it as well. And then your leads, people under you, and any resources here. Inside the resources, there's some email swipes in there. But the most important thing here, guys, is the MSI products. Multiple streams of income. You've got all of these in here, and you say my activated MSI. Basically, right now, I've only signed up since yesterday, so I'm waiting for a few approvals right now. But just so far, if I have a look at it, I've got one, two in there so far. I haven't set up a lot. 3, 4, 5. I've got 5 streams of income that I've set up already that are already working for me, and the rest of them will be getting approved as well. So take a look below this video. There'll be a link for you to get in and have a look for yourself. Absolutely nothing to pay. Get in, sign up for it, get on board, and then once you've done that, then you can decide if you want to take up the upgrade and start earning affiliate commissions and all this stuff. It's a great thing. So guys, get in and basically let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to know more sort of stuff about making money online and affiliate commissions and being an affiliate, then please subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Have an awesome day. See you soon. Cheers. Bye.